Hey there, video editors! Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore a simple yet powerful editing skill: how to speed up a video in Capcut. So let's dive right in. To get started, open up the Capcut app on your mobile device and load the project containing the video you want to speed up. Identify the specific clip in your timeline that you want to adjust. Tap on it to select it. Now, look for the speed icon. It usually appears as a clock or stopwatch. Tap on it to access the speed adjustment settings. In the speed adjustment settings, you'll see a slider. Slide it to the right to increase the speed of the video. You can preview the changes in real time. Keep in mind that increasing the speed will reduce the duration of your clip. If you want to maintain the original duration, you may need to adjust the timeline accordingly. Once you're satisfied with the speed adjustment, save your project. Capcut will automatically apply the changes. And there you have it, a quick and easy tutorial on how to speed up a video in Capcut. Alright, folks, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed diving into with me. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.